Oh, here we go.
For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Erie, Hancock, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lucas, Mahoning, Marion, Morrow, Ottawa, Richland, Sandusky, Seneca, Stark, Wayne, Wood, and Wyandotte. Wind advisory in effect.
Wait, what?
6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. What?
That makes no sense.
25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected.
What was that?
Central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. Wind from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday. Impacts. Gusts.
Oh, upgrade to high wind watch.
Tree limbs could be blown down.
What?
Power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially
That makes no sense whatsoever.
secure outdoor objects. A weather message. For the following counties:
Strobe is flashing.
Medina, Portage, Summit, and Trumbull. High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday.
Now you can see this red strobe behind me is flashing.
20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 60.
That makes
Oh, hi there.
that makes no sense though.
Medina, Summit, Portage, counties.
They never tone wind advisories. Wait, CLE Discord link. What? I didn't know the IEM bot had a Discord server.
Now you know.
Okay, none of this is making any sense. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back down.
Okay.
How's everything up here? Okay, this guy didn't activate.
This is no weather radio.
Okay, these two went off. That one stayed silent, which sucks. And then these two up here went. I don't know why they're 15-minute events though. This makes no sense. No sense at all. Oh wait, like that's right, the speaker's broken, but I don't know what the hell's going on.
Low pressure will deepen and track northeast along the front tonight, moving northeast of the region on Monday while forcing a cold front east across the local area. High pressure will build east.
Wait. Yeah, they're both on. I don't know why they're not activating. Unless it's okay, yeah.
50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that one. Alright, okay, that one's 6 hours, because that's a legitimate high wind warning. And then I received 2 of those, which was really weird. But, hey, what the? This didn't get the high wind watch?
South winds 22 miles per hour with...
Reception seems fine. I don't know. I really don't know.